The Jamaica Fire Brigade conducted a visit at the KFC King Street branch in downtown Kingston today, following yesterday's fire. Senior Superintendent in charge of the Kingston and St. Andrew Division, Patrick Gooden, spoke with our news team on the issue.
This morning, we will be doing some, physical check at the location, just to confirm what transpired, but certainly, from all indications, we have not been so notified of such an incident. It's not normal. I mean, I can, there are cases where persons lives in remote location and for whatever reason choose not to call the fire department. And then what they would subsequently do when they recognize now that there's a need for them to get some kind of confirmation and support, then they would come to us.
Our team took immediate steps to secure the location and ensure the necessary emergency response and support were provided. Right now, our focus is on supporting the affected team members and ensuring the continued safety of our people and customers.